Up next on the Tesla Plaid channel. Showtime Dragstrip at Cinco de Mayo 2021. Alright, this Nova SS is sitting on some really big tires. You can see there's not much space between those rear tires there because it's fully tubbed out and narrowed rear end, of course. You can see the full-on race car here. You got the transmission right there in your lap. Got no camera set up on that side yet, but we'll see what happens here. Side view cam on that run, just the front and rear dash cams. That would have made for a good race. I'm not sure if you lifted the tires or not, but that was a fun run. All right, well, welcome back to the Tesla Plaid channel. We came out with 94%. That first race was really close. I ran a 683 at 100.6. He ran a 682 at 101.6. He had a mile an hour more, but the ETs were really close, within 1/100th of a second of each other. Across the finish line, 7/100ths of a second ahead of. Great, fun, close race. Great way to start. All right, for the second race, you can see the engine coming well out of the hood of this third generation Camaro. Here we go. Obviously I waited for him at the light because I wanted it to be interesting. Interesting race that was. Yeah, I could have taken off on green. I'd have had about a half a second head start and I would have won that race easily, but I saw he was still messing with some things on the line, so I waited till I thought he was ready to leave. Obviously he had way more power as that turbo came on at the finish line.
Did that beat you?
Look, I waited for him at the starting line. He was like sitting there at the starting line. I could tell he was like messing with something, so yeah, my reaction time isn't usually 1.4 seconds. No shortage of Kia Stingers here tonight. We've got no fewer than 4 of them lined up side by side. GT, 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 and GT. All right, lining up with this 427 Nova. I've never seen it run. I don't know what to expect, but I think we got it. Oh yeah. I think we got it. Oh yeah, all day long. That 0.04 reaction time helped from the get-go. I thought he was moving with me, but then he just fell back. I don't know if he had a technical issue or what. Thought he'd be faster.
He says, I raced him last time.
Who said that?
The guy in the white one.
Okay.
I raced him last time. He goes, I know he's fast. I said, well, he's here all the time. He goes, he goes, I don't know. I think I saw him on YouTube. I don't know.
Yeah, that's me.
He goes, but he's fast.
It's no secret anymore, I guess. I ran a 681 at 101.04 reaction. All right, well, welcome to the Tesla Plaid channel. It's a different kind of night out here. It's called Donk Fest. a different kind of night out here. It's called Donk Fest. If you're not familiar with donks, they're usually 70s, 80s American-built cars with enormous rims and very little profile on their tires. They've usually got nitrous or something to speed them up. We ran a 679 at 100.4, solid run.
It ain't stock, is it?
It's stock, 100%.
Stock.
100%.
I told them to be careful about this car, man.
100%, man.
Wow.
Even the tires. Look at the tires.
Yeah, everybody was turning the flip, man.
Yeah.
They were like, wait, you didn't wait for the race. I said, I know.
The light was green.
They can't do.
Yeah, quite an event tonight. All right, I'm thinking about going sport mode this time because I don't want to show off too much out here and there's not much competition. So anyway, we're gonna go sport mode. I'm on no time on this night. I thought maybe I don't want to advertise too much and draw too much attention to myself. I'll still try to cut a decent light, of course. Like this. Yeah, sport mode is all I need here to beat most of these cars, so why bother with Ludicrous? We can save some battery. Sport mode.
805, you must be teasing them.
You know, I dialed it down to just like the around town mode.
Yeah.
Because it's plenty enough to do the job.
I know, it's
so
plenty enough to do anything.
in sport mode, we ran a 8.05 at 91.09 miles an hour. So still over 90. And a decent reaction, 0.12. I say decent because the car obviously isn't going to launch hard off the line when I'm not in Ludicrous mode. You know, just sport mode kind of leaves the line kind of easy. We've lined up a race here against this Coyote Mustang. I think he might have a ride along and no helmet in there. Not so cool. I'll just give him a quick smackdown and be on with it. Here we go. Bye-bye. Saw him. But hey, he did one hell of a burnout back there. I hope I got it on video. I think the burnout was the best part of his pass. Now I almost kind of feel bad. He had a ride-along passenger, and I'm sure he told his passenger, hey, my Mustang is fast. Let me show you how fast it is. How does he explain the car in the next lane, this electric Tesla, finishing like 4 seconds faster than he did on an 1/8 mile track?
You're 680 at 100.
680 at 100. Thanks, Tom. Ran 680 at 100. We got a race lined up here. Feels like the window's open, it's so loud. All right, I think we can take this. Here we go. Maybe I should have made it closer. And that white Mustang is like the fastest car here.
690 at 100.
690 at 100. It cooled down quite a bit, so I think that's why it's a little slower. All right, I think this yellow Mustang is the only car out here we haven't raced tonight, but I'll just put it in sport mode for this one. I'm not too concerned. His passes haven't been all that fast. Don't want a red light, but yeah, that's enough. Even sport mode. Yeah, that's enough. Even sport mode. Who needs Ludicrous, right?
6 at 91.
Yeah, I was in slow mode again. You know, I just had to take one more run. I was trying to get my $50 worth. Because, you know, the tech card was 50 bucks, and that's only my 5th ticket. So that way it works it down to $10 per pass.
Yeah.
I'll see what say, Tom. 806 on that pass at 91.2 miles an hour in sport mode. If the music sounds loud, no, my windows are not down. My windows are firmly all the way up. Showtime Dragstrip, Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. We're here for a private event with the Faster Proms group. We got the cater tot, this huge Magnuson blown cop car. We got the turbo 4.6 Crown Victoria. We got a big boost Beamer, a couple of Corvettes, and a couple of Teslas. We brought both the 2019 Raven and the 2016 S75 out tonight. We got a V-Sport Cadillac. All right, we got a full car here, 4 people, and we're racing Jeremy's Faster Proms cop car. Never raced this car before, but he's got 4 people in his car as well, so we both got a lot of weight going. Ready, set? So we got him. We do got him. Woo! Woohoo! Got him. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! Wow! That was awesome. He was making a lot of noise back there, but not as much forward motion. 0.8 of a second faster.
That was awesome. Wow. That's awesome. Well, thank you.
I'm coming back around. Maybe I'll be racing the Cadillac next. We'll see. That thing looks seriously fast.
It does look serious.
He's got drag radials on there. Wish me luck, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks for flying the Tesla Express. This Cadillac V-Sport wagon is on Nitto 555 drag radials. 285. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
Holy shit.
I think we got him.
Yeah, I think.
I'd suggest everybody put your helmet against the seat.
Right back against the seat. All right, we are in the Tesla. The Tesla's been smoking everybody. You guys excited?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Woo! Woo! Man, that was fast.
You're gonna line them on the beam, right? You could always do the old.
Give him the back wheel.
You could do the old foot in the beam.
Yeah. This is absolutely cool. Thank you so much. Holy smokes. Holy smokes.
We're not messing around.
Holy cow. No way. No way.
Everybody got their seatbelt on?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Toasting.
Wow.
Toasting.
That's awesome.
Everybody got their heads on the seat rest? All right, here we go. So what do you guys think? Was it as
Adrenaline.
That was awesome.
Awesome.
Yep.
The best.
It's in my stomach.
was it faster or slower than you expected?
Faster.
This is faster than I expected.
Yeah.
Smoother and smoother.
Smoother, yes.
Whoa. So you gotta hit 100 miles per hour.
Got to get the water off the tires.
Hold my head back.
Yeah, put your helmets on against the seat.
Woo! Oh my goodness.
That's 100 miles an hour right there, guys.
That was nuts. I don't know if you could tell, but I almost got whiplash. I didn't prepare myself correctly, but it was fun. You feel it, man. You know? You don't know, now you know. Tesla is nothing to fool with.
Is this like hopped up at all, or
No, 100% stock.
really?
0 to 100 in 6 seconds, guys.
Yeah, that was crazy. It sounds just like the airplane right before it takes off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's faster than I expected. But I think I'll be watching you on YouTube. I think it's you I see.
Yeah.
You be racing, right? You race Lambos and
Oh, yeah.
and others, right?
All kinds of supercars.
Yep, I think that's you I'll be
911 Turbo, McLaren, all kinds of Corvettes, C8s. Yeah, you name it, I've raced it.
Nice, man.
That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you for the experience. man.
Absolutely.
God bless you.
You guys enjoy it?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Was it faster
Yeah.
or about what you expected?
Well, it was faster than I expected.
Yeah, it was.
I mean, I watched you. I watched it.
It looks a lot faster. I mean, it looks.
Well, it's fast,
faster
but
when you're in
it's so quiet. It's so quiet. It's
Yeah.
hard to, everything else
Yeah.
that's fast is noisy, and
Yeah.
you can hear the power.
And so it's, thank you for riding the Tesla Express.